Hello everyone, welcome to the Hikvision DarkFighter 2.0 technology launch event and the DeepinView Generation 2 product release. My name is Bert, Product Manager of DeepinView cameras from Hikvision. We are very happy to share with you our latest low-light video imaging technology, DarkFighter 2.0. It will first be launched on our next generation premium camera product line, DeepinView G2, to better serve your project needs with powerful performance and feature upgrades. Before diving into DarkFighter 2.0, let's quickly review the evolution of DarkFighter technology. Starting from the Hikvision DarkFighter camera, featuring a 1.8 by 1 inch large sensor for brightness and clear video images in ultra-low light environments. And one step further, we added f1.0 large aperture lens to let in more light, along with our super confocal technology and the smart hybrid light design, which we call DarkFighter S technology with even better low-light image quality. After that, we innovatively designed a dual-sensor DarkFighter X, with one sensor capturing the IR lights to ensure brightness and sharpness, the other for visible light color reproduction, and together they fuse into one bright, full-color image with unparalleled quality for moving objects in low light. So these are the DarkFighter 1.0 technologies, and we already reached very high standards in terms of optics. And now, keeping all these leading optics, we are upgrading the technology to DarkFighter 2.0 with AI-empowered ISP and powerful hardware. By combining deep learning AI and ISP, aka image signal processing, together, we can solve some of the common optics challenges, bringing the low-light image quality to the next level. DarkFighter 2.0 including these four major features: SharpMotion, which can effectively solve the low-light noise and motion blur; ShotN, to clearly capture multiple objects moving at different speeds at night; AWDR, the scenario-based WDR with better image quality; and high frame rate, the performance upgrades for smoother motion capture. We will show you more details of these four features in the following pages. Starting from SharpMotion. From this demo video, we can easily tell that this feature can minimize low-light noise on the whole image, especially for your object of interest, such as a person and a vehicle. This is done by AI-powered ISP. As you may know, the regular ISP already reaches satisfaction for most cases with good daylight. However, challenges still exist, and one of the typical situations is nighttime capturing with constant needs for brighter details and less noise. That's where deep learning AI can empower ISP with better image quality. Our technology builds noise reduction models using deep neural networks. After a large amount of video image noise sample learning, it can separate signals and noise and retain more effective object details on the video images. Speaking about low-light video images, conventional cameras also face great challenges when trying to capture objects with different speeds, such as pedestrians and vehicles. At the daytime, it's not that hard. But at night, there is not enough light and it takes longer exposure time, and that's where the gap appears. Conventional cameras have a configurable exposure time for all objects in the video. So if we set the camera exposure good for pedestrians, the vehicles will be overexposed without details. And if we set exposure appropriate for the vehicles, the person captured would be too dark for evidence. We are putting ourselves into a dilemma here. Is there a way to meet both needs with just one camera? Now, the answer is yes. The DarkFighter 2.0 ShotN feature can meet such needs by multi-exposure. With a powerful processor, the camera with ShotN allows you to set two different exposure parameters, one good for persons and the other good for vehicles. The live view image is from the good for person exposure settings as it provides brighter image, And the good for vehicle exposure settings is for multi-target type detection, AI algorithm, and its vehicle-related alarm pictures, so that we can get clear capturing details of both at night without compromising. This will significantly improve the adaptability in complex scenarios, and it also ensures 7/24 reliability for multi-target type detection. Also, we support high frame rate and auto WDR in DarkFighter 2.0, and more advanced features launching or upgrading in the future for optimal image quality. Scenarios such as sports events, production lines need to see clearly on fast-moving objects during live view or in slow-mode playback. This requires capturing at a high frame rate for a smooth viewing experience and informative motion details. We already have some network cameras supporting up to 2 megapixel 60 frames per second, while the new generation camera with DarkFighter 2.0 can provide you with even more. With more powerful hardware, some of our new camera models can reach up to 8 megapixel 60 frames per second or 2 megapixel 120 frames per second. The performance has at least doubled compared to the past, providing a more clear and smoother viewing experience. Our WDR performance improved to 150 dB on selected DarkFighter 2.0 cameras. Another noteworthy feature is the name Auto WDR, which indicates that the camera is able to adjust automatically according to the environmental lighting by turning on or turning off WDR. And that's helpful for some scenarios with constantly changing lights. For example, some hallway scenarios might be with bright sunlight in the background during certain hours of a day, requiring WDR for a clear image. However, for the other hours, the sun moves away and the WDR is no longer applicable. And the sunlit hours keep changing by season or other factors. With Auto WDR, we can adapt much better. Also, don't forget that we improve the WDR effect itself as well. Here, we are happy to showcase some first-hand testing results. This one you are looking at is about DarkFighter 2.0 SharpMotion for a more clear night view with less noise. We can see that both the DarkFighter 1.0 and 2.0 deliver impressive nighttime video with bright details and color info. Especially DarkFighter 2.0 excels in its color and detail reproduction with less noise on the persons and a more clear overall viewing experience. In the test, we arranged DarkFighter 1.0 and 2.0 cameras with the same optical specs for cross-comparison at an outdoor, low-light, nighttime scenario without nearby supplemental lighting, and all the cameras' supplemental lights are turned off. We also compared DarkFighter 1.0 and 2.0 WDR performance around our office building, both indoors and outdoors. The whole picture already shows some difference. And if we take a closer look for cross-comparison in details, for example, the tree, the box, and the office walls from the outdoor WDR testing, or the testing boards, the car, and the trees in the background of the indoor WDR testing, we can see that DarkFighter 2.0 images are with brighter and higher clarity details in the foreground, midground, and background. We have already introduced DarkFighter 2.0 technology and features. What about the products? It will be available across our product lines. On this page are some models coming soon. Please note that DarkFighter 2.0 features and the AI-powered ISP effects could differ between product models, as their computing powers are not the same. In general, higher computing power on best-in-class optics lead to premium image quality, especially our next-generation DeepinView G2 cameras and various new models of our Ultra Series PTZ. For example, this high-speed PTZ dome camera, DF7A with just 5 kilograms in weight, and powerful intelligence. Other DarkFighter 2.0 related models include our DeepinView Omni cameras, the Ultra X6 series G3 cameras, with full features or part of the features supported. The new DeepinView product models are releasing now, including IDS7 and IDS8, with G2 in the product name representing Generation 2. Apart from the DarkFighter 2.0, this DeepinView G2 also provides you with more feature enhancements. In fact, as the flagship model of project cameras, DeepinView G2 keeps all the G0 good features with upgrades, which can be categorized into these four aspects: ultimate image quality, powerful edge intelligence, industry-leading performance, and high reliability. We have already gone through most of the image quality highlights with DarkFighter 2.0 introduction, and now let's take a further look at the other highlights. Starting from the deep learning AI intelligence, in general, we provide two product lines: multi-intelligence cameras with 8-in-1 AI algorithms like parameter protection, people counting, multi-target type detection, AIOP, and so on. And ANPR cameras are dedicated for professional vehicle intelligence. In G0 products, users can select any one of the supported AI manually or based on a preset schedule, which already provides flexibility to meet diverse project needs. While in G2, we allow dual AI concurrently. That is to say, two AI algorithms running on one camera at the same time. Based on our powerful computing resource, we are adding not only flexibility, but also more potential for intelligent applications. For instance, a parking lot may need ANPR passing vehicle records for evidence, and also auto intrusion alarm to warn off pedestrians from stepping onto the traffic lanes and putting themselves in danger. Now, both analytics can be done at the same time by only one G2 ANPR camera. Or for a construction site where the manager wants to make sure there are no more than 6 workers inside a certain operation zone, and also all workers are wearing hard hats. Now we can have both on one G2 multi-intelligence camera, one by AIOP and the other by people counting, protecting the workers and also make sure the operation is well regulated. Besides the outstanding performance in low light image quality and deep learning AI, we also provide industry-leading optics of f1.0 lens, large sensors as always, along with other critical performance, including PTRZ dome, which greatly simplifies on-site installation to just one step. And installers are free to remotely adjust lens, pan, tilt, rotate, and zoom from anywhere with a network connection. Hikvision patented technology, scales pattern reflective units, are newly applied on selected G2 cameras to improve supplemental lighting with better efficiency and viewing experience. The new technology JPEG Pro supports alarm picture region of interest and save up to 50% of the picture size. While the power meter allows users to remotely check camera power consumption statistics for convenient device maintenance. And other advanced features such as G-sensor, vibration detection, and so on, providing a strong competitiveness in projects. Also high reliability features, including professional designs for data security and special models for harsh environments, are all available on DeepinView G2 to meet various project needs. In addition, we provide a 5-year long-term warranty. The next generation DeepinView includes IDS7 G2 models. Most of them are DarkFighter 2.0 fully featured. For example, as shown here, the high-end X7 bullet cameras of both f1.0 super confocal lens and a large sensor providing unparalleled image quality in the industry. And X6 cameras with a large sensor, providing a wide variety of product offerings in resolution, form factors, and extended features such as 5G, built-in SSD, PTRZ, and so on. We are also upgrading the IDS-8 camera to G2 models with DarkFighter X, dual sensor, and a dual lens tandem view design. Continue to provide big picture and details in one camera, and with DarkFighter 2.0 image enhancement. Okay, a quick wrap-up for this launch event. Our DarkFighter technology is upgrading to version 2.0, keeping all its optics highlights and enhanced by next-generation AI-powered ISP running on powerful processors, and providing optimized image quality of sharper motion in any light. The DarkFighter 2.0 will be first launched on DeepinView G2 cameras, and later on a few other high-performance network cameras and PTZs. And the DeepinView G2 cameras, besides the image quality, it also provides you with the performance of dual AI at the same time, adding both flexibility and more potential for deep learning intelligent applications. Along with all kinds of leading features, high reliability designs, and a wide variety of product selections, making your projects hassle-free. This is the end of our launch event. Thanks a lot for your time. We can't wait to see our DarkFighter 2.0 new products meeting everyone. Please keep following the Hikvision website and social media for more information. See you next time.